Well, you know who I'm playing. For that thing, after our last game, I didn't like how.
Hey, now I'm on these.
Yeah.
Yo, great cheering for his boy, SpamCop. Pipe. Yeah, true, true. All right, winner Sammy is totally expected to see that from these two. All right. So Samuel, fresh from him being a VIP at Summit, I'm sure he's learned a lot already. Okay. SpamCop's doing pretty good though. He found his opening. He's doing Mario stuff. Good on Samuel to mix up the DI, and good on SpamCop to catch said DI. Wow, I actually got the double hit from Minecart. Wild. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, if that block was right in front of him, like if it was a block higher, he would have gotten like the craziest F smash. He's got no pick left, so his forward air and stuff won't be very good. Yeah, there we go. He's got his stone down though. He's chilling. Okay. Oh. I think his up B might have like hit the pressure plate or something. I don't know. It just kind of instantly blew up. That was something. Oh, he almost got him into the nair trap there. The Minecraft PvP setup. Okay.
I felt pretty cool. That doesn't detract from like your win. You played pretty well. I played it like fairly well.
Bro, you almost like.
I was thinking to come through.
Okay, okay.
Like the top player, like, right?
Yes, I can talk.
Oh, there we go. SpamCop's starting to get some momentum going. Just doing Mario ladders. Hey, hey. Hee hee hoo ha ha.
Today's my reward is very good. Most likely.
Okay.
Okay, like our team's pretty so You know how
It'd be mad funny, that's what it is.
exactly.
Oh my god! He hit him. I don't know what to call that. That was pretty clean. Oh, sweet. That is mine, yeah, actually. Well, not my power bank, but my phone, thank you. Yeah, that's fine.
I don't know whose power bank it is.
No.
Your phone was on it.
Yeah, no, it's the gentleman right there. He's let me borrow it. Until my phone's charged up.
No, I just saw it.
Oh, it's actually fully charged now. I can give it back. Thanks for bringing it.
He found his phone yet, so.
Oh, okay.
He told me there was a gorilla back, so I just flipped it over, flipped it back, and I just see Yoshi with raging me. I'm like, oh,
Yep. There you go. Oh, that should kill. Oh no, perfect DI from Samuel. Yeah. Oh my god. I was about to say, yes, SpamCop was getting gritty for the fair, but then, Samuel found an opportunity himself to almost steal the game just like that right there. He does have Diamond on deck, so SpamCop can't get too antsy. This game's practically even. Okay, good mix-up on the recovery. Carefully getting over it. Respects all the hits here. Oh, perfectly spaces around it. Oh, he caught the rolling, but he blew himself up. No. He had the read, but he died. Oh, that's unfortunate. That was really funny, though. Right. Well, that was a heck of a game one. So I'm curious, chat, how are you guys doing today? Hopefully you're having a lovely day so far.
I went in there, grabbed the brother card, and left. It is.
Okay. Oh, I looked back at stream and he's taking 84. Okay.
There was one table.
The one time I'm not looking, I didn't realize I jumped in already.
Like 8 people.
All right. Samuel answering back pretty hard. Holy mackerel, if that was off stage. Holy crap.
Yeah.
Whew. Good call, but unfortunately Mario has like no end lag on up air, so if you let that rip right away, it might have hit. But ooh, got the cape trump there from SpamCop taking the first stock. Okay, yeah, up tilt back here. Samuel combo game has gotten a lot better. Yeah, the summit practice paying off clearly. I imagine there might have been someone who's giving him some good tips there, because he did play a little bit. He's like, I should have grinded more, but I did play a good bit, which I'm proud of him. Ooh, okay, he's hanging out. Uh-oh, yeah. Just kind of picking the wrong options, but it happens sometimes. So SpamCop's getting a lot of good pressure himself here. See if Samuel's able to turn that around here. He's having a hard time ending this this plumber's life here. Okay, back throw maybe? Up throw? No. Okay. Not quite gonna have a kill option. Oh, there we go. Forward air's gonna sneak it in there. And we've got iron tools on deck. He does have a diamond too. He literally just got it right as he made iron tools. So you can save that for his last stock. And well, sure enough, he's on last stock. He doesn't have any. Oh no, right. You get an iron supply when you spawn back in. I totally forgot. Because Steve needs it.
When you Pyra.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh, big damage. Oh, okay. Yeah. He's able to up air out of it, but he was still able to get some decent damage after the fact. It's not something that would have killed SpamCop. He just got frame dated. Oh man, building a house to keep out the flooding. I like it. Or just building the foundation. Okay. Oh my god, that shield pressure was dicey. He's kind of. Oh my god, the minecart even ticking that off too. That's crazy. Okay, diamond's gone, but that's fine. Minecart's be able to take it, and just like that, he gets another one back. Okay, so if he has any opportunity to get a diamond or just get a crazy combo to take it out, then this is looking good here. Oh, wait, he still has some of his diamond tools. It's just the one that broke. I totally forgot. Like, it's not tied to like just the one. Okay. Okay. Samuel, he is turning this back here. Diamond is what it takes to turn the corner. I did not expect him to bounce off the wall, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, he almost got that. He scooped him up with that. Jumping out into up air was a good call. Just respecting the option. If he jumped there, he might have gotten up smashed. Didn't have time to set up here, but he was didn't have enough time to come out with a forward air. And just trying to keep himself protected here so he can get some more materials. Keep his stuff topped up. Oh, there we go, gets the scoop again. He doesn't mash out fast enough, and then oh my god, Samuel got a really nice forward air spike. There you go. On the board, 1-1. Resident sleeper in the chat. That was a good comeback, though. He brought it back. It was looking very much like SpamCop was going to take game 2 there, but Samuel said, nah, hold this. Pretty nice. Welcome, Pink. Yeah, I heard you guys are probably having to play some of the top 8 matches off stream. Or you think you're going to try and roll it out?
I think we're going to try to roll it out.
Okay. When's the venue got to close? 10?
11.
11,
Actually,
okay.
no, when is it supposed to be 11? I think we're good.
Okay.
We should be fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Otherwise, I'll just run one of the losers matches off stream.
Oh yeah, and that might be enough, right? Just running one of them.
Yeah.
Like, if it has to be one of my matches, I'm okay with that. This guy been in stream a lot, even though obviously I'm not here a lot. It's still, give some space for the other people. Okay. I totally just didn't even realize just how quick SpamCop took that first stock. Hey, welcome Ed to the stream there, Eddie. Welcome. Yeah, I missed something incredible. I feel really bad now. I like completely missed that. That's really unfortunate.
What? Why?
He needs to build up rage. Yeah. Yeah. Alaforder? Oh no, I'm really disappointed I missed that now. No, you're kidding me. Oh my god. I'm mad now. But I'm also happy you told me what it was I missed. Okay, I'm keeping my eyes on the prize here. Okay, SpamCop's running the train here that Samuel is trying to build. Yep, just mine up. It's like he has to approach, but he needs to kind of build resources to do it. It's awkward. He's in a bad spot. Ugh. Couldn't get the stock there either. Okay, opting for up B mix up. Good call, good call. All right. Yeah. Doing that was good. He probably didn't realize that the pressure plate was moved away, but that's fine. That's fine. Just trying to cover some options here. Just. Oh, what was that like? What was that Charlie Chaplin like setup here? Like what? That was goofy. Smash Brothers is a game, dude. What a game. Smash Brothers is the game of time. That was mad funny, dude. Yeah, you caught a BC tournament just in time. Glad to have you here, Eddie. Welcome. Yeah, you got it just in time to see some wacky shenanigans. Is he dead? No, okay. No, surely not. Okay, ooh, very strong back here. Are we gonna see Samuel pull it back again here? Like, oh, he's almost out of materials, though. That's kind of rough. So it's looking good for him, but he is looking really sparse right now. But he still has to apply the pressure because, you know, if he doesn't, no, that's fine. Okay, here's this opportunity. He's got to get as much as he possibly can, even though his pick just broke. Oh no! He didn't have time. Oh no, his pick breaking is not a good time. Oh, up tilt though. Up tilt, do the funny. He has no pick, so he can't really finish it off with the forward air combo. Tried to parry the back air. He only has one piece of iron, and he is going to get Trump back air. All right, very clean stuff. That was so fun. That was so freaking funny, though. Oh my god. I hope someone at least goes back and clips it, or if they clipped it on time, good stuff. Because there are two clips in that one game. One that I missed that was a nice zero to death, and the other was that clown tomfoolery. Oh my god. That was like a redstone setup, dude. You know, you got the water block, and it goes into the TNT pressure plate, you know? Donkey Kong. He thought about it. He thought about it. It would have been mad funny. Okay. FD, I like that as a counter pick. I wonder what SpamCop ended up banning in place. Maybe like Smash. No, he wouldn't have banned Smash Gold. I have no idea what he would have banned. Okay. Oh, yep. He kind of had to shake it up because the block kind of messed it up, but I think he might have been able to just nair the whole time there. Going for the block. Link for bracket, please. Oh, that's a good idea, actually. Are you able to do that for Eddie in the chat? I'm not sure if we have a bot command or not.
I think we do. Or at least we usually do.
Okay, is it like exclamation point bracket?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, try exclamation point bracket to see if it comes up for you.
Sometimes we forget to update it, though.
Hey!
Oh, yeah, it is updated.
It is updated, the fire alarm special. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I wasn't here for that. That was last Friday, right? What happened?
Yeah, the fire alarm went off.
It literally just randomly went off for no reason. Oh, my God. Not again, dude.
Oh, my God. Samuel.
Trying to give us a heart attack, dude.
Yeah, and somebody pulled it as a prank, most likely.
Probably. Or something actually caught on fire in like a chef's kitchen or something.
Yeah.
We smelled it.
Oh, right. Some people said they smelled smoke. I forgot about that.
Okay, so maybe there was an actual fire. So anyways, yeah, fire alarm special. He got Gabe Bowser out of there, so that happens. But wow, he's already got diamond already. Ooh! Okay, that was a nice punish. I've never seen him do that before, but that is optimal as hell. Steve has a very low natural hop, so him doing footstool setups is very practical. Oh, no way. Oh my god, he almost had it, dude. Oh, and he could shield poke with the back air. Holy Jesus. Yeah, no, I think he needs iron to be... No, it's iron to block the Mario recovery. That I remember seeing a video on that. It's like every up special versus Steve's blocks, he needs iron to block it. If I'm not mistaken. Ooh, try to predict the roll-in. Ooh, tries to drop it on him, you know, like a Looney Tunes, but unfortunately he's not ready for it. Now, this matchup's a Looney Tunes episode, dude. There you go. Alright, the minecart forward air. The old Dunkaroo. Okay, roll in, good call, didn't get punished, just barely. Uh-oh, he's got no pick. That's a lot less materials than he'd probably like. Oh, it's not pick, it's the shovel, whatever. Ooh, big damage. Okay. Oh my god. Carefully spacing himself around here. Trying to snipe it in there. Dude, just hit him. Just go around, dude. Yeah. Oh, he did it with it again, dude. He's so clean with those now. That seems super optimal. Come into my dungeon. Yeah. He's running out of materials. That's okay. He's got a stock lead. He's chilling. He's still got quite a few iron to do some stuff here. Okay, back throw. Yep, and get some more materials. Oh, it just sneaks another iron out. Oh, minecart funny. Haha, funny. All right, wow, game 5 here. Samuel and SpamCop. Okay. What's Samuel's seed today? Is it third?
It is not third. It is 6th.
It's 6th. Okay.
Yeah.
I was seeded higher than Samuel.
You've had better results lately. So. When Samuel
I guess
comes
that's
over
fair.
to UBC weeklies, like he'll consistently lose to Liam.
Oh, okay. He didn't have to fight Liam today, so you got to move on. And now he's fighting SpamCop. Okay.
He has wins on both of them, but the match, I think they're in favor of
Oh, okay. I got you. I see you. I see you. Okay, just running it to Smashville, and that's game 5 here. Not sure how I feel about it, but it is a small stage, so Samuel's got to really pick his spots to actually mine. So it's tough to say. Alright. Game 5 underway, here we go. We're going to see Samuel move on to fight Pyramithra, or are we going to see the Mario make it? Yep, parry, up tilt, very nice, agreed. Oh my god, dude, the punishes are on point. Oh my god. He tried to bait out like him maybe panic air dodging or like landing with an unsafe aerial that had more landing leg, but that was crazy punish. That was a really good punish game stuff. Oh no! The fact it's active for so long, oh my god, what? It's
the fact that it can grab from behind like that.
It's so crazy. And he did all of that with technically wood, but you're right, bronze tool. We'll go with that. Might as well be bronze. That's your RuneScape brain? I had a feeling. RuneScape is based, so it's fine. Oh, he's got diamond already. That's crazy. It's only been a minute. Yeah, just, you know, escorted like a subway tram into the ground. And he just, okay.
There you go.
Yeah, Mario. Mario. I don't know what RuneScape actually is. You need to educate yourself. It's incredible. It's a piece of history. it redefined the genre. Oh no, is he doing the funny again? Oh my god, he hit him with the funny twice, dude. Oh my god. There needs to be a name for that combo, like, surely. Like, that combo is so, like, I swear every good Mario does it.
After...
It needs a name. He really hit it with it
probably
twice.
not, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah, call it like the Royal Flush or something plumbing related.
It's more timing related. We didn't expect a game tie.
Okay, okay. TNT set up here. He was looking to just cover a lot of options here. Yeah. Oh, SpamCop to really pick his spots, but up tilt backer is going to take it, and this is even. He's got Diamond on deck. Oh my god. Yo. Hold up. Oh my god, the up special. Good recognition from SpamCop to get out of that. He needed something fast, or he was probably dead from that. Yo, he got funny up air forward air, and he might just still win this game. Oh my god, he went for it. He went for it. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, ladders? Ladders? Oh, he misses the other one? Just by a hair? Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, he scoops him! Oh! SpamCop gets taken it down!
Yeah, what's up?
Samuel winning 3-2.
Oh my god, really?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Jose, Liam, on stream, please.
Are you guys gonna play off stream?
Also, is it best of 3 or best of 5?
Best of 5.
Yeah, dude, you made top 8, dude.
Yeah, dude, you should throw real quick.
Hey, is
That's crazy. So, wow, we're seeing a lot of upsets today. That's crazy. Good stuff on Samuel. That summit practice.